Hey, what's up guys, this is Dipesh and in this video I'm gonna do unboxing and review of Photron P10 Bluetooth speaker. I get this speaker from Amazon at only 650 rupees and this video is not paid or not a sponsored video. I buy this speaker for my personal use, and in this video I'm going to give you my genuine review about this speaker. I'll put this speaker link in the description of video, so if you want you can go to the description and buy it. So before proceed, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe us and also hit the bell icon to get notification about all of future videos. Now if you done that, let's go for unboxing. The quality of packing product by Amazon is always good. My experience is always awesome with the packing, and here the box how it looks like. Some branding is mentioned at the front and the top of the box, and also some specification is also written at the back, and box is sealed pack, but surprisingly at the bottom of the box it's not sealed pack. Left of the box you will get all the features mentioned regarding this speaker, and this speaker supports Bluetooth, and you can also use aux cable. You will get also aux cable inside the box. So let's unbox it. Now here the first thing that you get inside the box is a speaker itself. Now let's skip it side. Inside that you will get aux cable. The length of the cable is not very long, but still you get the cable inside the box, so you no need to buy it separately. So you can charge your speaker and also play music or audio from your computer with this cable. Now the next is the user manual, and all the things related to speaker is written here and nothing else inside the box. So let's talk about the speaker. Now what I like most about this speaker is its build quality. At 650 rupees no other brand will give you this kind of build quality. Now this one is having a complete metallic build quality, and at the bottom this one is having a rubber grip, so you can put your speaker anywhere and it will not move easily. So this speaker will give you a premium look and feel, and it is easily portable to anywhere you want. Now whenever you turn on this speaker, by default it will turn on in Bluetooth mode and start pairing with your device. So once you turn on this speaker, it will automatically start this LED or this blue light start blinking here, and at the left of corner of the speaker you will get a mode changing button. On pressing this button you can switch between the FM, aux and Bluetooth mode. And next we have this two buttons which will help you to play the previous and next track on your device. Now if you want to increase or decrease the volume of your speaker, then you have to hold this next or the previous button. That will help you to increase or decrease or to change the volume of your speaker. Now the next we have this SD card supports here. I haven't tried it, but I think this is the SD card slot where you can put your SD card and start playing music. And the next you have the charging point, and that's it. Now let me show you how you can connect your speaker to any Bluetooth device. So first of all you have to turn your speaker in Bluetooth mode, and in your mobile or whatever device you are using you have to turn Bluetooth on it, and just go to Bluetooth section, and here you will get a Photron speaker, and just tap on it to connect it and you will get it on your device. Now let's check the sound quality of the speaker.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. When you're so gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your heart, feel it in your head, feel it on your fingertips, feel it in your head. Lay your body, lay your body, lay your body, lay your body. I wonder between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body. Feel it in your heart, feel it in your head, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head.
So my opinion about this speaker is value for money, because this speaker will cost you only 650 rupees and you will not get any other speaker at this range with this build quality and this sound quality. The sound quality of this speaker is very awesome. Even I can hear the sound when my cooler is turned on. This speaker is very loud, but you can't compare this speaker with all those JBL speaker out there. But still this speaker is very good, and so this is what my frank opinion about this speaker. So if you have any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section. I will reply you definitely. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get notification about all of future videos. And if you haven't followed me on my social account, then follow me in my social account. I'll put all the links in the description. So guys, this is the page signing out. Meet you soon in the next video.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember?